Hey beauty, so we're just gonna hop right into this tutorial. So what you're gonna need is a piece of string. You can literally get the thread off your needle and thread. You're going to need some type of scissors, and you're also going to need a measuring tape. Now you can go to the beauty supply store or the Dollar Tree and something like that and just get a flexible one that actually is meant to go around your head, and or the paper one basically. But this is all I had on hand, and I wanted to get this video out the way. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take that string, align the first part in the middle of your head, directly in the middle of your head, and you're gonna take that string and go all the way around the more circular part of your head, and then you're gonna meet that up with the other side of the string, and you want it to meet directly in the middle of your head. Before you cut it, you want to make sure that you have it aligned correctly, and then too, before you even measure it on the measuring tape, make sure you go back in with that string just to make sure that you got exactly what the accurate measurements that you need. Another thing too that I forgot to point out is make sure that your hair is laid down as flat as possible before doing that, so that you can get the most accurate results. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this measuring tape, pull it out so that I can start putting this string directly at the top where it first begins at. But you're going to drag your thing all the way down till it gets to the tip, and then this is basically going to tell you what is your head circumference size. I'm going to zoom in. I'm actually going to give you guys another view so that you can see that mine was directly at the 23 mark. Now you can take those measurements and be able to order the wig that is actually your size. Now you don't have to worry about measuring from ear to ear. That is only in cases if you're going to be ordering a custom frontal wig at that. That's the only time that you do the ear to ear. Let me know down in the comment section down below if you guys want to see a video on that. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and also turn your post notification bell on so you won't miss when I post. But until next time, you guys.